Hi guys, I hope you're doing great. Guys, today I'm here to present reliable and unbiased piece of information related to Cash App, and I will going to fill your cup of knowledge with updates about Cash App transfer scam text. So guys, are you ready to enhance your knowledge? If yes, for that you need to stay tuned with me and watch the video till the end, and do like and to subscribe to our channel. So guys, when we talk about the Cashback app, it says that you can easily transfer money to your friends, your family, your peer, and to anyone you wanted to in any part. For example, it is there sending $900 to the first 900 people to DM me cash tags and retweet this, drop your Cash App name below. Some are saying that they turn to be a great scam in the present era of the Cash App. It invited deposit of $1,000 to your Cash App. Enter your Cash App email or mobile number to report and receive the deposits. You need to enter the code which is sent to your email or mobile number while using Cash App. So guys, when we talk about the Cash App has been rising and getting familiar and getting popular and receiving fame from the people because it easily allows you to transfer money to your group of people whom you wanted to send money. But guys, the app is trending, but customer faces a lots of problem. The app helps to transfer money from peer to peer, but some scammers are targeting people who uses Cash App via social media platform like Instagram, Twitter, then Facebook, and many other social media platforms. The scammers are sitting there and they are ready to grab the opportunity from the people by taking their money. When people are investing amount and sending to their peer ones via social media apps, they are not getting anything. They are just getting some sort of retweet, and they are getting some turns to be scam one. So they are facing lots and lots of problem as per the latest updates. So guys, when we investigate and when we have in-depth analysis about the Cash App, we found that some latest Cash App frauds are being in trend. First of them is Cash App flipping. The second one is one of the most popular Cash Friday or Super Cash App Friday giveaways. The third one is fake bonuses. The app tries to give you fake bonuses, wanted to be and get you in a scam or get you a trap by giving you bonuses, but it doesn't turn out to be any of the bonus in your bank account. It was just to initiate and to take more and more customer towards the app. The scammers are doing that. Next one is phishing scams. Next is gift card scam. In the gift card scam, the app scammers are giving you some gift cards to buy from social media apps, from the Google apps, for any of the apps in which you wanted to do shop. But this was just a trap to influence many customers to use Cash App. The next one is fraudsters are trying to trap people to get their money. So guys, yes, before moving ahead, do like and subscribe to our channel as it will motivate us to do better. Next, you can see guys, it is written over here, the woman turns to TED after Cash App scam. When she tries to get rupees $2850, instead of receiving 2850, she got $0. When person trying to send money to their people, they haven't turned anything out. They just get nothing in hand, just $0. So this was going on in the Cash App by their scammers. So guys, as per the latest reports, Apple users are getting Cash App transfer false messages. Apple community is sending messages to their Apple users again and again, and to the link which describes that Cash App gives them the same link. Do not tap on the link, rather they have to pay for that. Apple users and Apple community are saving people from the fraudulent activities which is going on recently. Many of the customers have complained about that they have got from Cash App the same messages and link, but these activities are conducted by phishers and by fraudulent people who wanted to trap people. So guys, yes, if you like the information and found it helpful, do like, share, comment, and for latest news and updates like this, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys, and be safe and be informed.